Hello friends, welcome to a new tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to download and install MySQL Workbench on Windows 11 step by step. First of all, go to the mysql.com, click the download link and then click on MySQL Community GPL download and then click on MySQL installer for Windows. This is Windows 11 and here you must select the installer 306 MB. It will be used in 32-bit and 64-bit also. Now click on this start my download. Yes, it's downloading. Yes, downloaded successfully. Now install, just click on it. It's installing. Click on custom and then click on next and expand the MySQL server and then add the MySQL server 8.0.4 and add MySQL Workbench and then MySQL shell. Yes, it's added. Now click on next, execute. Yes, it's executing. Click on next again. This is product configuration. Click on next. Yes, this is the port 3306. Next, and here you can see use a strong password encryption for authentication recommended, and click on next. Put your MySQL password and then repeat the password. Click on next, next again. Okay, it's done. Now just click on execute, finish. Now product configuration, you can see the product configuration. Now you can start MySQL Workbench after click on finish, or you can deselect it then click on finish. We will start it manually. Let's set up environment variable. To set up environment variable, go to the charts menu and write environment variable. Yes, environment variable. In the system variable, click on path, double click on path, and then I will add the environment variable. In that case, go to the directory where the MySQL is installed. Go to the program files and expand the MySQL. This is the MySQL server, bin, copy the directory and paste it in the path. Click on new and paste the environment variable path. Click on OK. OK again. OK. Okay, it's done. The setup is done. Now go to the command prompt. Let's check the MySQL version. MySQL -- version. Yes, this is the 8.0.4. Okay. Now write workbench. This is the MySQL Workbench 8.0C. Yes, this is the system database. Now I'm gonna create one more database with the name mytestdb. Create database mytestdb. Database is created successfully. To watch the MySQL tutorial full course step by step, go to the link in the description box below. Thanks for watching this tutorial.